Hey parents, today we're going to be looking at page 10 in the Alfred's Piano 2 book, Grandpa's Clock. Grandpa's Clock is going to be in C position, so right hand thumb on C, left hand thumb on G. This has what's called an incomplete measure. We know that in every measure in 4/4 there should be 4 beats. However, the first measure of this song starts with just a single quarter note. So what you do is you count 1, 2, 3, and then play 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just count 1, 2, 3, and then play on that 4th beat. The missing 3 beats are actually in the last measure of the song. You'll notice the last measure only has 3 beats. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So when we take the repeat, you'll feel those extra couple of beats. So the first line, pretty easy, starts on the right hand. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to play G with your 5th finger. So that is G, C, G, D, G, E, G, D. And then the second line, we do have some hands together playing. So on the left hand, you're going to play 1 and 3. And in the right hand, you're going to play 1. Rest in the left hand. D, E, C. Now we're going to play D with the second finger and 1 and 2 in the left hand. And then 3 in the right hand and 1 and 3 in the left hand. F, or the 4th finger, in the right hand and 1 and 4 in the left. Rest in the left. Play another F in the right hand. Third line, 1 and 2, and D, or that second finger, on the right hand. So D, E, F, D. Second measure of that third line, 1 on the right hand, so C, and 1 and 3 on the left. D, or 2 on the right hand, 1 and 4. 3 on the right hand, or E, and 1 and 5. Rest, G with the 5th finger. Then the last measure of that line, 1 and 3 in the left, 1 in the right on C. Last line, some more hands together playing, D and 1 and 2, E or the 3rd finger and 1 and 3, 4th finger and 1 and 4, and then the 5th finger on G, D, G, D in the left hand, G, 5th finger, C, then 1, 5, and then we would go back to the beginning. So I'm going to play it. Remember, we do have staccato markings and some dynamics. I'm not sure if the dynamics are really going to come out over my phone's microphone, but I'll do my best to kind of make the quiet sections sound a little bit quieter and the louder ones sound louder. Staccato, just to remember, it's basically like your finger is coming up as quickly as it can off the piano. Now I'm exaggerating it a little bit. You don't want to bring your hand up quite that much. But this should sound a little bit like this. 1, 2, 3. And it would repeat, but that's the whole song. All right, hope that helped.